Okay, so the next step in the process in our production line of site modeling plugins and knocking out the process for this project, the next step is going to be to import our road surfaces using PlaceMaker. Keep in mind that your model needs to be geolocated in order for PlaceMaker to pull in these roads like this. So if you're just hopping in on this video, please know that we did geolocate the model very early in the process. And so this does have a latitude, longitude, precise north, and location on Earth. And so that way PlaceMaker knows how to pull in those roads and where to put them. So let's do that. All right, so I'm gonna back out a little bit so we can actually see the process happening. And I will select our site, and then we're gonna open up our PlaceMaker dialog. All right, so now we can expand our roads, and you can see that with the roads, you do have some of these different parameters that you can adjust, but honestly, the defaults tend to work just fine. But know that there are some presets or some settings you can tweak in here if you're not getting the results you want. For me, I usually just select the site and push the button, and watch what happens. It's going to pull in the road surfaces just like that. All right, so now I'm going to pull those roads. I'm going to move them straight up, and it doesn't matter. I don't need a precise distance. I'm not going to move them back down. We're going to kind of drape them onto the site. And let me look at like a top view. We don't need PlaceMaker anymore. We can go to camera, standard views top, and we can go to camera, parallel projection. And that way you can kind of see a plan of what's going on. Now, I can tell you that really what we're doing is we're getting prepared for the Vali Instant Road plugin. And when I look at this, I see a few problems that I know are going to come up when we use Instant Road. And one of those issues that we're going to have is that the roads go to the extents of the site. And the other issue is that this curve right here is rather clunky and low res, you might even say. And so we're going to kind of dial that up and make it a little bit cleaner. So now that we've pulled in our terrain, now that we've pulled in our roads, the next step is going to be cleaning up and running Instant Road. If you like this video, click the BD button to subscribe to our channel. Every week we post new videos covering SketchUp, Layout, Lumion, and our Condoc Tools extension. If you are a professional architect or interior designer, you're going to love our tutorials.